Starting with the Mitsubishi Outlander 2010, which is a V6 2.4 liter engine, petrol, also available in a diesel version, which is a 3.0 liter engine for the LS Sport version. As you can see inside, the info system is quite the same as usually the 2010 make cars. It's also a 7-seater with baby seats, a 4x4, 170 horsepower. As you can see, the baby seats inside. Then also quite enough room for the back, and it also has the lower ramp like for the Land Cruisers. As you can see, it's quite enough room at the back, which would be a good option for family person looking for an SUV. And that's the back view with the signature multi-bulb tail lights. For our second option, we have the Subaru Forester XT 2010, which is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with a 2.0 liter for the engine size in petrol. As you can see, the interior also with the signature Subaru interior. Also, it is a 5-seater, 4-wheel drive, then also 150 horsepower, slightly less than the Outlander, but has a sport mode, and that is the back view. For our third option, we have the Nissan Juke, which is an inclined 4-cylinder engine that's with 16 valves, 1.6 liter engine for the engine size, and it's also a 5-seater, but the interior is quite different from most of these other ones. As you can see, it has those nice curves even running within the interior. The rear doors open from up above, as you can see. That's for space for the back people. And then this one has a 4-wheel drive and also a 2-wheel drive and also a manual version. For our fourth option, we have the Toyota Harrier 2010, which also has an inclined 4-cylinder engine with a 2.4 liter engine size. That's in petrol, but it's also a 5-seater, and as you can see, the interior is quite the same with the 2010s. That's for the Toyotas. Then the back, this is available in leather and also has 170 horsepower, and it's an automatic. For our final option, we have the Toyota RAV4, that's 2010, with the 4-cylinder engine, but also available in a 6-cylinder engine. That's 2.5 liters for the engine size, then 3.5 for the 6-cylinder. It's a 5-seater. As you can see, the interior is just the same as for the Vanguard, but also has a button for the 4-wheel, so that means it's a 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive. Also has 179 horsepower with an automatic transmission, and that's the back view.